Hello children, today we are going to do the third exercise of lesson factorization. In the first two exercises of factorization we have learned how to factorize, and then using identities also we have learned how to factorize the given algebraic expression. Now in this third exercise we are going to do the division using the factorization only. Fine. Now here I have started with exercise 6.3, the division of minus 36y raised to 3 divided by 9y square. Now whenever you are doing these types of sums, you have to open the given terms, so factorize them, so it will be easy to cancel the numbers and find out the solution. Now minus 36, how we are going to split it or factorize it? You can split it into 9 into 4. So minus sign is there, so 9 is negative there. 9 4s are 36, so 9 into 4. And y is raised to 3, so y is multiplied 3 times. Y into y into y divided by 9 by y square, so 2 times y will be there. Now how you are going to do? You have to take some common numbers. So what is common there? 9 and 9, so that will be cancelled. And then how many times y is common? 2 times. Y square is common there in both, so 2 y is from numerator, 2 y is from denominator I have cancelled, so only 1 y is remaining in the numerator. So whatever remain in the numerator, we'll write it, that is minus sign is there with 9, that minus into 4 into y, that is minus 4y is the answer. Next let's go to the fifth question. The question is 12 8 a raised to 8 b raised to 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to 6 b raised to 4. Now we have to split the numbers. 12 you can split it into 2 into 2 into 3, but here I have only done 6 into 2. Then a is 8 times, b is 8 times. So all the a's into a 8 times, b into b 8 times I have written, divided by minus 6 as it is we have to keep, and then a is 6 times and b is 4 times. Let us go for cancellation now. Now 6 and 6 is there, so 6 and 6 will be get cancelled. 2 is there in the numerator, that will be as it is now. And then in the denominator there are 6 a's, so 6 a's from both common ones we will cancel, and even 4y from numerator and denominator both will cancel. So whatever remains in the numerator we'll write it. So 1 2 is remaining, a 2 are there, so that is a square, b 4 are remaining, so b is raised to 4, and down minus sign is there, so that is minus 1. So the answer is 2 a square b raised to 4 by minus 1. Now let us go to the next question, that is second question. Here we are going to take some common things out in the bracket and then going to do it. Now 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4, the whole bracket, whole term is divided by y raised to 4. Now what does that mean? That y divided y raised to 4 is divided by each term is divided by y raised to 4. So we'll write that separately, 3y 8 by y 4 minus 4y raised to 6 by 4y raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 by y raised to 4. Now open it, 3 into 8 times y will come, and as numerator 4 times y will come. Then next middle term will open, 4 into 6 times y will come, and down 4 times y will come. Next third term, 5 into 4 times y, and as the denominator 5y again 4 times. Now whatever is common will cancel it. So how many y's can be cancelled? 4 y's can be cancelled. Only 3y raised to 4 will remain in the first term. Minus sign as it is. In the second term what will remain? All the 4 y's will cancel. 4 2y are remaining. So 4y square is the middle term. And in the last term, all the y's are cancelled. Only one constant in this remaining, that is plus 5. So that is our answer. Next question. Eight in the bracket x raised to 3, y raised to 3, z raised to 2 plus x raised to 2, y raised to 3, z raised to 2 plus x raised to 2, y raised to 2, z raised to 3 divided by 4, x raised to 2, y raised to 2, z raised to 2. Now this term 4 x square y square z square is divided to each of the term of the first term. So we are going to write it separately. 8 divided by 4, all the numbers together will write, and will write first term divided by x square y square z square, second term divided by x square y square z square, third term divided by x square y square z square. Like previous question, we will cancel whatever is common in first all the three terms. After cancelling, in the first term only x remains, in the second term only y remains, in the third term only z remains. And when you divide 8 by 4, you will get 2. So the answer will be 2 in the bracket x plus y plus z. Now let us go to the question number 3. Here monomial by monomial. So two terms by two terms you have to divide it. Now here we are not going to use the first method. We are going to take some common terms and then we are going to divide it. Fine, because in the previous first two sums whatever we are done monomial, binomial, trinomial by monomial. Only by one term we are divided. Here the division is with two terms, that is binomial. So 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So we are going to write it in fraction form, how we write the division. Fine, so 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. Now we'll consider the first term. Whatever is common between them, how we have done the common things in the previous exercise, we'll take common thing. From 10x minus 25, 5 is common. When you take 5 common outside the bracket, 2x minus 5 will remain in the bracket. And down in 2x minus 5, nothing is common, so we'll keep it as it is. Now cancellation of the same terms. So 2x minus 5 is common in numerator denominator, that will get cancelled. Only 5 will remain, that is our answer. The same way we are going to do the next sum also. 96 ABC minus 3A minus 12, 5B minus 30. The whole this term is divided by 144, A minus 4 and B minus 6. Now let us split each one term now. So 96 ABC, if you split it, what you will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, A into B into C. If you split 3A minus 12, what is common between them? 3 is common, take 3 out, A minus 4 will remain inside the bracket. The next term is 5B minus 30, take 5 out of them, what will be the second term? B minus 6. Now next 144, split it, that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. A minus 4, you can't split it, keep it as it is, A minus 4. The last term B minus C as it is, you have to, B minus 6 as it is, we have to keep. Now let us go to the solving part of this. So whatever is the first term, we are going to write as up as numerator, remaining by which number we are going to divide, that will be down as denominator. So whatever get cancelled, cancel it. So all the 2's, all the 3's from the denominator get cancelled. A minus 4 both the terms will get cancelled. B minus 6 get cancelled. So whatever is remaining here in the numerator, that is 2ABC into 5, that gives you 10ABC. Fine. Now let us go to the next question, that is fourth one. The fourth question is 20 in the bracket y minus 4 and y, the second bracket is y raised to 2 plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. Now whatever common thing you can take it out, you can take here, but the y square plus 5y plus 3 you can't split it still, so we'll keep it as it is. 20 is 5 into 4, y plus 4 is there in the numerator and denominator, that will get cancelled. 5 also will get cancelled, so whatever remains in the numerator, that will be our answer, that 4 in the bracket y square plus 5y plus 3. Right. Next question is m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Now here we will try to split the term m square minus 14m minus 32. We will make the factors of it, how we are done in the previous exercise, that is 6.2. Now see the take the term m square minus 14m minus 32. See the last term, that is minus 32. You know how to split the middle term, I have taught you in the previous exercise. So minus 32, if you get the factors of that, you will get minus 1 into 32, 2 into minus 16, 4 into 8, all that gives you 32 as the product. Now we have to see the middle term is 14. So out of these groups, which one gives us 14 as the addition or subtraction? 1 and 32 doesn't give. 4 and 8 is addition is 12, subtraction is 4, that is not needed. The second one is 2 and 16, addition is 18, subtraction will be 14. So we can take that middle term, middle number group, that is 2 into 16. Now we want minus 14. So how we are going to take 2 and 16? For minus 14, 16 has to be negative, 2 has to be positive. So how we are going to split the middle term? M square plus 2m minus 16m minus 32. Now make two groups, how we are done in the previous exercise. M square plus 2m is the first group, m is common from them, m is out of the bracket and m plus 2 will be in the bracket. The second group is minus 16m minus 32. Take minus 16 as common, m plus 2 will be in the bracket. So m plus 2 is repeated, take it as first factor and m minus 16 as the second factor. Now we are going to do the division. So m square minus 14m minus 32 means m plus 2 m minus 16 and m plus 2 is divided as it is. So m plus 2 m plus 2 is cancelled, m minus 16 is remained. So that is our answer. Next, one more sum I have done for that. This question is 4yz in the bracket x square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y xz plus 8. Now let us take the first algebraic term, that is z square plus 6z minus 16. So we have to split the middle term and find out the factors of this given term. Now 16 we have to take and 16's factor we have to do. So 16 means 1 into 16, 2 into 8 or 4 into 4. We have three options. Now which one we have to choose, that will see the middle term and then decide. So middle term is 6z. So we want 6. So which number is addition or subtraction gives you 6? 1 and 16, its addition is 17, subtraction is 15. We don't want that. So take the second 2 and 8, addition is 10, subtraction is 6. So we need 6. And the last one is 4 and 4, addition is 8, subtraction is 0. So the second one 2 and 8 will be correct here. So we want plus 6. So plus 6 means what? 2 and 8. 2 will be minus, 8 will be plus. So how we are going to write the split term? Z square minus 2z plus 8z minus 16. So that is the way I have splitted the middle term 6z. Now make two groups. Z square minus 2Z. What is common between them? Z, and Z minus 2 will be in the first bracket. Take the next group, 8Z minus 16. 8 is common, take it out, and in the bracket Z minus 2 will be there. So Z minus 2 is common, take that as a first factor. Z plus 8, that is our second factor. Now we'll write it in the division form. So 4YZ is 2 into 2 into YZ. Next, Z square plus 6Z minus 16 factor are Z minus 2, Z plus 8, which we got it now, and divided by 2Y in the bracket Z plus 8. Now see what can be cancelled. Z plus 8, Z plus 8 is the common bracket, cancel it. 2y can be cancelled. So whatever remains, that is 2Z in the bracket Z minus 2. Instead of 2Z, I have written only Z, children. Make it 2Z. Fine. Here we are done with the exercise 6.3. Then we'll go for exercise 6.4. In the 6.4 exercise, these types of sums only are done, but they are not done it correctly. They have solved the sums, but they have solved it wrongly. We have to solve it once again and give the correct answer. Fine. So let us go in the exercise 6.4. Now find out the correct answer. The question given is 4 in the bracket x minus 5 is equal to, the answer is given 4x minus 5. So the question is also given, the answer is also given. We have to check whether the given answer is correct. Okay, here what is the answer given? 4x minus 5 is the answer given. We'll check, we'll solve the first part. 4 into x is 4x, and 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. So answer should be 4x minus 20, but what answer they are given? 4x minus 5. So that is wrong answer. We got the correct answer, 4x minus 20. Fine. One more question from that. 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equal to 0. So if you solve this, we won't get 0, we'll get y. So 0 is the answer wrong, which they are given. Y is the correct answer. Next question from that is 10th one. You have to substitute x value as minus 3 in the given equation and give the correct answer. The given equation is x square minus 5x plus 4 gives the answer minus 2. That is their answer. But when we replace the number with minus 3, we'll get minus 3 square is 2, minus 3 square is 9, minus 5 into minus 3, it should be plus 15. They are given minus 15. So their answer is wrong, that is minus 2. We have to write plus 15. That gives us 28 as the correct answer. Next question, z plus 5 the whole bracket square. What answer they are given? Z square plus 25. We'll check whether that is correct answer or what. So z plus 5 square is here we are going to use the identity a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square means what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here z we are going to consider as a and 5 we are going to consider as b as a second term. So a square means what? Z square. The last term b square is what? 5 square, and the middle term is 2ab. So 2 into z into 5, that gives us z square plus 10z plus 25. So whatever answer is given, that is wrong. This is our correct answer. Next is a minus 4 and a minus 2. That answer they have given a square minus 8. But we'll check whether this answer is correct or no. Here see the question, it is in the form of x plus a, x plus b form. Fine, which identity? The fourth identity which I learned in the previous class. But here instead of positive sign, the question negative sign is given. So it is in the form of x minus a, x minus b. So in the answer, the second term will be negative. So x square minus x in the bracket a plus b plus a into b. So what is x here? X is a here. So a is square we are going to write. The second term will be x means a in the bracket a plus b means 4 plus 2, and the last term ab, that is 4 into 2. So when you solve it, you will get a square minus 6a plus 8. Fine. So that is our answer. The answer which is given a square minus 8 is wrong one. Here in the last question which I taken, the question 3x upon 3x plus 2. The answer is given 1 upon 2. So the answer whatever is given is wrong, because you can't cancel anything here. 3x is a one term and 3x plus 2 is again a second term. So here 3x and 3x can't be cancelled. They are cancelled it and got 1 upon 2 is the answer, but it can't be done. So cancellation is not possible here. The question will be remain as it is, that is 3x upon 3x plus 2. So that is the answer. So children, we are done the exercise 6.3 and 4. So complete the exercise and be ready with the next one. Till then, take care and bye.